Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia, and it has no current cure. But treatments for symptoms, combined with the right services and support, can make life better for the millions of Americans living with Alzheimer's. There is an accelerating worldwide effort underway to find better ways to treat the disease, delay its onset, and prevent it from developing. There's also help for you and your family right here in your hometown. Call today to receive your free copy of Caring for a Person with Alzheimer's Disease, your easy-to-use guide. Call 888-341-5246 or visit online alzheimershomecarehouston.com.